This is one of my favorite chicken marinades. Large bowl, half a cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic, salt and pepper. Mix it up. Almost forgot the hot sauce, about a teaspoon. Chicken breast. I'm gonna poke some holes in our chicken. Ziploc bag. Chicken goes in. Marinate in. Mix it up. Let it marinate in the fridge at least 2 hours. Okay, we're gonna take these out. More salt and pepper. And then right onto the grill. You gotta make this marinade.